Hello everyone, Derpy here, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a little while, but I haven't really had the chance to set up a PC or my current computer in a while, and it's been a few years, but maybe I'll do more videos, maybe not. But either way, today I would like to show you a simple fix for a mod that seems to be well beloved in the Halo PC community called Cursed Halo. Now this is a fix as of September 20th, 2023. This issue may be resolved by the time well, I don't know, down the line. This video might be outdated, is what I'm trying to say. But anyway, so I found this fix here on a thread on the mod. So here it is, Cursed Halo. And you're going to go down, it's a thread by Mr. Who, and I'm going to walk you through it because I had a little trouble, and I know a lot of people are struggling with this right now. I've seen a lot of threads, and this guy right here, Hapless, as you can see, has actually found a solution, and I also gave him this reward because it actually worked. I actually did another recording of the video already, but it did not capture my audio. Oops, I forgot. So we're doing this again. But I do know it works, so stay with me here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this folder, which I have opened up. You're going to go to your program files, Steam, Steam Apps, Workshop, Content, 976730, because that is the Master Chief Collection ID. Then you're going to go to 2962107814, and that is your Cursed Halo ID number. Now it's going to show all this stuff here. What you're going to do is you're going to go to mod info, but I'll show what the thread actually says here. So what you're going to do is you're going to change your MaxApp version minor from 3151 to 3272, and it's going to look like this. Now I didn't quite understand exactly what this all meant at first, but I kind of discovered it on my own. How to fix this file. It's going to look a little different when you open it up. It's gonna say be JSON. Oh, there it is right there. Yep, type JSON or JSON file. So I was a little confused on how you edit it. I didn't know if you needed another program or anything like that, but all you're going to do is you're actually just going to open it with Notepad. And when you do, you're going to see this here. So don't mess with anything except for Max App, and you're just going to leave major and patch alone and just change your minor to 3272. And yes, like I said, I did test this out and it does work. So, didn't show you proof. We're going to open up the Master Chief Collection here, and we will make sure to open it with the mods stuff. So let's open it up here and hope that the computer actually captures this. Alright, so here we are, Master Chief Collection. Press start. Or, well, I just clicked. But then you're going to go to Campaigns, Halo C Anniversary, and boom, there it is, Cursed Halo again. Yeah, yesterday I spent like 3 hours trying to get this to work, and I had no idea. But I just discovered this as of like maybe 20-ish minutes ago, and decided, hey, I'll show everyone else how to fix it, so we can get back to our dumb fun. In fact, I actually haven't played this yet. This would be my first time playing it, but so it looks like a lot of fun. I've been a huge Halo fan my whole life, pretty much. So this will be a lot of fun. Do something different. But yeah, here you go. This is everything. Yeah, it looks like a lot of fun. I can't wait to play through this. And yeah, so I hope you all found this helpful. Hopefully you get back to your Cursed Halo fun. And I will also be doing so. Just want to give a quick shout out again to what was his name? Let's go back to him real quick. Shout out to Hapless who came up with this fix, and thanks to everybody for watching. Have fun playing Cursed Halo, and I'll